Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. To do that, I need to stake these little spots down. Ah, that's the clutch. There's 8 little ball bearings that ride on those little pockets here. There is 3 gears that go on the little pegs. And there's this center gear nestles down in between those bottom 3 gears. And there's these 3 nylon gears up here. They go like so. And this metal plate is down over that, like that, and the motor goes in there about like so, and there's a screw that lines up with that boss. Holds that housing together. Not an over here. amount of labor you got into fixing this thing, it's really not worth it. This is an inexpensive to replace drill motor. But if you want to prove to yourself that you can do it, this is how you go about it. Make sure we get this sitting in there properly. That only fits one way. Like so. Looks like it might go this way, but it doesn't want a seat. Going around like that, drops right in there. It's where it belongs. Okay, now we'll slide that battery in there again. Always start the screws by hand. Power tool seems like it's faster, but you screw up one spot and then you're spending all that time fixing it, and the time you saved by running the screws in from the start with the power tool is wasted. And you end up with a tool that quite often has one stripped out hole that will no longer accept a screw. And in plastic, it's kind of a foregone conclusion that it's not going to be easily repairable. You can fill the thing with epoxy and do all kinds of stuff trying to make it right, but it's easier just to avoid it in the first place. Now, I like using power tools. That's why I'm fixing this drill motor. For one thing, I think it deserves to be working, especially since it's something simple. You never know it's simple till you get done, though. And halfway through the project, you might think this is not worth the trouble. And it very well could be that it's not worth the trouble. But then, when you got it going again, it's a little different feeling. Well, let's see how it works actually drilling something. Yeah, pretty good. So now I have a full set. I have the drill, have the light, charger, 2 batteries. This battery's okay. This battery is good. I'm going to see if I can find a light bulb to fit this. I think that's what's wrong with it. Because near as I can tell looking at it, the filament's burned out. So now I have a Craftsman 14.4 volt drill motor with a light that needs a bulb and the full case, full setup, ready to go. I also have another 14.4 volt drill motor, Craftsman drill motor, that probably needs the same work done, but that'll be for another rainy February day. It's snowing, so not going to work on a drill motor today. I think this will be the first 2 videos that I put up, and I'm probably not going to put up another one until next week. I'm going to start up a little slower. I'm not going to charge in one every day, trying to catch up, trying to impress somebody with how fast I am. One good thing about having the shutdown for a while is I got used to the idea that I don't need to do this every day. I like doing it, and I should make it so that I continue to like doing it. That way when the FTC comes knocking on the door, it's not going to be a case of me going, oh my God, my world ends. Nah, we'll just find something else to do. But in the meantime, we're going to keep working on tools and keep coming down to the shop because this is what I like doing. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. And I appreciate all you guys staying with me. Things like this happen, and we get through it.